Okay, so I got so many essays on the Facebook post I made about what to add to your prompt to make it beautiful, realistic, hyper realistic, ultra detailed, depth of field, and to just make your image look real, just like you see right here. So these are the images I created. I did this with Go Enhance.ai. I did this with Binge. I did this with Flux Flux Pro, yes, by Black Forest Labs. I did this with Flux. I did this with Flux. You can see. I did this with Flux, Binge. So let's just get right into it. So this is my Flux. This is the website. I'm going to share it with you. This is the website. So I'm just going to get my prompt. I saved it here. So we're going to start with this. Okay. So I'm going to impute it and run it. So we're going to do a kind of comparison on how it looks with the prompt addition and with just your normal prompt. Okay, so this is what it gave me. I added more detail here. I added looking at the camera. Okay, so this is the prompt. This is the image it gave me. Okay, so let's just save it. Okay, now to add that to our prompt, we are going to impute img underscore 2004 2004 dot HEIC. That's it. This is it, and then we'll run it. It's going to take a while. So this is what it gave me. As you can see, we added that here, img underscore 2004 dot HEIC. So I tried to find out the meaning of HEIC, and according to Wikipedia, it is high efficiency image file format. It's a digital container format for storing individual digital images and image sequences. And the standard covers multimedia files that can also include other media streams like time, text, audio, and video. Okay, so I think that's the effect it has on the prompt. As you can see, the image is real. The image is real. I have a couple of them. So this is it. The image is real. Look at the hair, look at the eyebrow, look at the lips, the wet lips on her lips. Like, it's just there. Even the crack on her lips is just real. Like, real. Like, look at the eyebrow. This looks like a real person. Meanwhile, this is the normal one we created with the normal prompt. The quality is not even high. But this is it. This is it. This looks so real. I mean, I don't know. The eyebrow is amazing. Look at the lips. I had some that I created too. This is it. Can you imagine? Look at her eyes. Look at the lips. You can never believe that this was done with AI. You would think that maybe they use an iPhone. An iPhone. And I also noticed that my iPhone has that HEIC format. So just take a look. Just take a look. I tried it with Bill Gates. Bill Gates sitting at a coffee shop. Just see how beautiful it is. Look at the eyebrow. It looks so real. The eyes, the lips. It looks so real. This was done with a normal prompt. As you can see, it's not as real as this. Like, come on. Just beautiful. Okay, so that is it. It's not really a big deal. Just add the img underscore 2004 .HEIC. So I believe that this is a year, and I think it can be tweaked to any year. It can be 2024 or anything. So this is how images store in your phone or whatever. My iPhone stores with HEIC too, so I guess that's why. So that is it for it's pretty simple. So I'll see you on my next tip video. Bye. And of course, follow for more.